Hello everyone, Michael here with Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today I'm going to briefly discuss the 4 ways investors can make money through multifamily real estate syndications. The first one is cash flow. The second one is amortization or principal paydown. The third one is tax savings. And finally the last one is appreciation and disposition. Let's briefly dive into each one. Number 1, cash flow. Multifamily real estate generates predictable and consistent income, and after paying expenses and debt service, the free cash flow will be distributed directly to your bank account, typically on a quarterly basis. Number 2, amortization or principal paydown. The revenue generated by the property through rental income and operations is used to pay down the debt service, which builds equity for you. And number 3, tax savings. Through depreciation, as a shareholder in our investments, we are able to pass through the significant benefits of depreciation to you, which allows you to claim a loss on paper and ultimately more money in your pocket. And finally, appreciation and disposition. Our business plans increase the value of your property by increasing the operating income and decreasing expenses. This commands a higher property valuation, which you will reap the benefits of at the time of sale, also known as disposition. As an adventurous real estate investor, you can passively take advantage of all of these money-making opportunities, saving you time and making you money so you can start checking off your bucket list now, not after you retire. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.